Gears of War E-Day looks amazing on the Asus PG27AQWP, the brightest RGB tandem OLED on the market today, with its amazing bluish design. And today we're going to be going over the gameplay from Gears of War E-Day from the Xbox Show Conference. Hi friends and welcome to Victor's Reality. You can see clearly friends, this is the brightest OLED on the market with a True Black 500 certification. The highlights are popping, the colors are amazing, and finally can give QD-OLED a run for its money. The clarity with this specific monitor at 540Hz at 1440p will look amazing on PC once this game arrives later in the year. I just wanted to showcase how amazing Gears of War will look on this monitor. Now I've had this monitor for a couple of months already and I'm working on a review, so check back and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that video. But you're going to be seeing many more POV content, gameplay content here on the channel. I just had to showcase this monitor because everything looks amazing. No monitor comes close to the brightness of this OLED. And if you haven't gotten this W version, actually there's a new 20th anniversary from Asus that was just released. It's the Asus 20th anniversary, and the monitor with the gold accents looks amazing, just like how it looks here with this grayish, I would say Gundam bluish kind of color. I prefer this color, I love this color, but like I said, the colors are outstanding. The brightness is next level. This is the brightest OLED that I currently own. So if you love 16:9 at 27 inches, this is the monitor to get. In SDR and in HDR, this is brighter than the new 39-inch LG Tandem that's out there, and brighter than any current 4K or 1440p monitor. Now of course, True Black 600 is incoming later in the year or early next year in 2027. So that's going to be amazing and will probably dethrone this monitor. But for the rest of this year, this is the monitor to get, you guys. I mean, I've been seeing a whole bunch of trailers and I've been gaming on it for a long time. And I can finally say, this is an amazing display for that brightness, that impact. And of course, it's OLED, so you get that per pixel, perfect turning off and on, the speed of OLED, no transition issues for your current consoles or next generation PS6, Project Helix, or the PC, with your 5080, 5090, or 6000 series coming very soon. Which you're probably going to need a 6000 series to run this at full max capability, but still, with an Xbox Series X or PlayStation 5, this looks amazing. I don't know what else to say, what other word to use. Seriously guys, I love this monitor, and I will be showcasing this monitor with a ton of gameplay videos, best settings, and everything in between because this really needs to be seen. But anyway, that's the monitor. What did you guys think of the Xbox Showcase? I thought it was awesome. I love that Gears is a console exclusive once again on Xbox. I am Team Xbox, guys. My whole, I would say, backlog. I chose Xbox since the first Xbox, and 360, and Xbox One, and Series X. My whole ecosystem is with Xbox. So congrats to them bringing back the power, bringing back that, I would say, confidence in the consumer. Now, I'm just worried about Project Helix. I wonder if they're going to have to dumb it down a bit because the prices are getting crazy out there. But I, for one, am happy to see Gears of War back, and it looks great. It looks better than I expected it would be. I can't wait to play Halo in the summer and Fable next year. And of course, Modern Warfare, but you can play that everywhere. But I would prefer to play this game on the PC, as I'm sure we would take advantage of more processing power, more graphics capabilities, and of course, higher frame rates other than 60. But as you can see, you guys, the highlights are just amazing on this monitor. And of course, if you have some kind of immersion kit with your keyboard or mouse, it would look really nice. But man, I just cannot wait to play this game, and I just had to showcase it. But like I said, many more games coming out here in the future showcasing this monitor, and we'll be having a lot of versus videos with the LG RGB Tandem, of course against Mini LED, and future games that will show the amazing quality of this display. Asus PG27AQWP, probably the best gaming monitor on the market, on the planet. Get ready for Emergence Day. This is the monitor to get if you want that OLED brightness impact. If you want to see more POV gameplay video, friends, hit that like button and subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Make sure notifications are on, because that's the only way you'll get alerted. Anyway friends, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.
These things been coming in waves? Yeah, what's the problem till I ran out of ammo? I'm not just standing up. I got friends inside. Eat that! freak! Pick him off! On your right, bud! I got it! Jams! Damn it! Tom! I'm almost there! Fall back!
Our roads converge again. Marcus Phoenix.
Welcome to the Xbox Game Showcase. For the past 25 years, Xbox has delivered some of the greatest games of all time. Games that changed what was possible, games that brought players together, and games that defined generations. Xbox was built on the spirit of creativity and heart. And as we kick off the show with Gears of War E-Day, it's only fitting that as we return to Xbox, we return to Gears. So today, we're announcing that Gears of War E-Day will be an Xbox console exclusive.